Alright guys, so I started a new project. Project 1LE is no more, so let me introduce to you Project Turbo Bird. I guess I should have started this video when I first got the car instead of waiting until I've already torn it down quite a bit, but it's a 96 Pontiac Formula that I'm going to do a 98 front end swap on it, 5.3, possibly a billet Borg-Warner S476, and shoot for, I don't know, 8 to 900 at the wheels. I don't know if I'm going to keep it at a stock bottom end 5.3 or build it yet. Haven't quite decided on that. Most likely, since I can't leave stuff alone, I'm probably going to just build the bottom end. It just seems a lot easier that way. That way I don't have to worry about it being a ticking time bomb. But I repainted the engine bay, just semi-gloss black, nothing fancy. Got rid of the heat and AC. Interior is basically stripped out. I'll be putting the carpet back in, the dash back in. Door panels are nice. Car's been sitting for about 10 years before I got it. Has, let's see, 118,060 miles on it. It's a pretty solid car. It's got a few little dings here or there, nothing big. I'm going to repaint the car. Probably going to go with a pearl white, and then the sail panel on the top of the spoiler might go with a black. Now I'm going to be running MS3 Pro. Going to try and keep the electric windows. It's going to have, it'll have a stereo, so some of the weight will be added back in, but I want to get it as close to 3,000 as I can. I'm going to run a full tubular front suspension from Midwest Chassis, since they're literally like, I don't know, 10 minutes away from my house. Just seems better that way. I think I'm going to run a Ford 9-inch in the rear end. I don't know if I'm going to go with a fabricated 9-inch or even possibly a 12-bolt. Maybe an S60, I haven't really decided on that. There's quite a few options, they're all good options to go with. As for rear end gear, probably going to stick with something like a 323 rear end gear, somewhere around there. It's going to be a 4L80 car, because I will be doing a lot of street driving, as well as a lot of track use. But this is where I'm at to date with the car. It is November 17th, 2016. Probably going to be a slow build, as money doesn't grow on trees around here. But I didn't fill in any holes or anything like that. They're all still there. I just gave the engine bay a quick shot of paint, so that way it cleaned it up a lot. I'll be doing a manual steering rack, as well as I'm going to run all new brake lines. There will be no power steering, obviously, since it'll be a manual rack. But this is what I'm working with. It's a pretty solid car, no rust anywhere. Even underneath, it's pretty solid. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but up underneath there was some grease from possibly an oil leak from the previous owner. But it's getting there, cleaning up. It's not too bad. I've seen worse projects. But I'll also be doing a Lexan front window from Optic Armor, and I'll be doing the same Optic Armor rear window. But hopefully try and lose some weight that way. That's about all I got for now, guys. Oh yeah, it's all being built in a one-car garage. Not a lot of room, but it'll do. Till next time.